Hey everyone, welcome back to Djji Tutorials. You guys are awesome. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're diving into the often overlooked world of customer service. We've all been there, right? On the phone forever, navigating those automated menus, just trying to talk to a real human. But have you ever stopped to think about what it's like on the other end of the line? Today we're going to pull back the curtain and explore the real challenges of working in customer service. What are the toughest parts of the job? Why do you think some people shy away from it? Let's discuss. You know, when we think about customer service, we often picture someone answering phones or responding to emails, maybe helping with a simple return. But the reality is so much more than that. It's about connecting with people, really understanding their needs, and finding solutions that work. It's about being a detective, digging deep to uncover the root of the problem, even when it's hidden beneath layers of frustration. It's about being a therapist, offering a listening ear and a calming presence when someone is at their wit's end. And sometimes it's about being a negotiator, finding common ground and de-escalating a situation before it gets out of hand. These are specialized skills, my friends. Skills that require training, empathy, and a whole lot of patience. Think about it, folks. You're not just answering questions, you're actively listening, deciphering what's being said and what's being said. You're empathizing with someone who might be having a really tough day, and you're doing it all while staying calm, cool, and collected. It's about being a problem solver, a communicator, and a conflict resolution expert, all rolled into one. And sometimes you need to be a technical wizard too. That's right, customer service reps often need to be incredibly knowledgeable about the products or services they're supporting. They're the ones on the front lines, answering questions, troubleshooting issues, and making sure customers feel heard and understood. So the next time you interact with someone in customer service, remember that there's a whole lot more going on behind the scenes than meets the eye. Now here's something most people don't realize. Customer service isn't just about solving problems in the moment, it's about gathering invaluable feedback that can shape the future of a business. Think of it like this. Every interaction, every question, every complaint is a piece of the puzzle. It's a direct line to what customers are thinking, what they're feeling, and what they really need. Are people struggling with a particular feature on a website? Are they confused about how to use a product? Customer service reps are the ones who hear about it first. They're the ones who can flag those issues and say, hey, we've got a pattern here, maybe we need to take a closer look. That, my friends, is pure gold. That's the kind of information that can help companies improve their products, streamline their services, and create a better experience for everyone. But it's not just about identifying problems, it's also about recognizing what's working well. What are customers raving about? What are they consistently happy with? This positive feedback is just as important because it highlights what companies should keep doing, what they should celebrate, and what they can use as a model for future success. So you see, customer service is a two-way street. It's about providing support, yes, but it's also about gathering those crucial insights that can help businesses grow, evolve, and thrive. Alright, let's talk about the big picture for a minute. We all know that businesses need customers to survive, right? But what's often overlooked is the incredible impact that customer service has on attracting and keeping those customers happy. Think about it, folks. We remember the good experiences, the times when someone went above and beyond to help us out. And you know what? We tell our friends about those experiences. We become walking, talking advertisements for companies that treat us right. That's the power of excellent customer service. It builds loyalty, it creates advocates, it turns one-time buyers into lifelong fans. And in today's world, where competition is fierce, that kind of loyalty is priceless. On the flip side, we've all experienced the frustration of bad customer service. We've all felt the sting of being ignored, dismissed, or talked down to. And you know what? We remember those experiences too. But instead of telling our friends, we're more likely to tell the world, thanks to the power of the internet. A negative review here, a scathing comment there, it all adds up. And once a company gets a reputation for poor customer service, it can be incredibly difficult to shake. So, the bottom line is this: investing in customer service isn't just the right thing to do, it's the smart thing to do. It's about protecting your reputation, building trust with your customers, and ultimately, securing the long-term success of your business. So, there you have it, the often unsung, often underappreciated world of customer service. To everyone out there working in the trenches, answering the phones, responding to the emails, we see you. We appreciate you. You are the heart and soul of every business, and the work you do matters. You turn frustrated customers into happy ones. You solve problems before they become mountains, and you make the world a slightly less frustrating place, one interaction at a time. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Keep up the amazing work. And to everyone watching, be kind to the people who help you out. You never know what they might be dealing with on the other end of the line.